Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Datadog mobile session replay step by step clearly. Open the Datadog website in your mobile browser. Log in to your Datadog account. Navigate to the session replay feature in the dashboard. Look for the integrations option in the left-hand menu. Click on integrations to expand the section. Find session replays in the list of available integrations. Select Session Replays to access its settings. Toggle the switch to enable session replays. Once enabled, configure the settings according to your preference. Set the desired recording time limits for your session replays. Define which user events you want to capture during sessions. Review the privacy settings to ensure compliance with your regulations. Confirm all your selections and settings by clicking the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message that your settings have been saved. Return to your dashboard to start using the session replay feature. Monitor the recordings as they become available. Enjoy analyzing user interactions through session replays. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.